Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Hope you guys are doing well. I know I haven't posted in a while. Actually, Lauren has been texting me and she's like, girl, where are your uploads? And I was like, sorry. I just don't know what to post for you guys. And I tried to vlog, but I don't know. I get caught up in being in the moment with friends, so then I don't end up vlogging. But anyways, I have a very special package today. I do have a Reformation haul for you guys, so I need to probably film that today. But I'm so excited because I got this package right now. I have been waiting for it. If you guys follow me at all, well, you're watching this video. Or if you like jewelry and this is your first time seeing my video, hello, my name is Antonia. I'm a Canadian content creator, I guess. And I love jewelry. I absolutely love jewelry, okay? Weird pieces, fun pieces, special pieces. I love all of that stuff. I'm a solid gold girly. I do have silver pieces for sure, but I'm mostly a solid gold girly, okay? I love solid gold. I'm always wearing like my 3 bracelets that are always on my wrist. These are all from MEJURI. I am a MEJURI affiliate. If you guys want to shop with me, I always have links down below. But this is the timepiece chain, square oval curb chain. And I like the kind of jewelry that doesn't have like, you know, the adjustable strap part and then there's like dangling. I like things that are just like one size. And then on my neck, I'm always wearing, if I can get close enough to you without spilling my matcha, I don't know where to put that. Okay, I'm just gonna put that over there. Hopefully it doesn't spill. I'm always wearing the snake chain, also from MEJURI. And then this is my like charm necklace. I wanna say it's the paperclip charm necklace. And then you see here, I have 2 charms. Actually, one of them is hidden. So the first one is here. It's a little charm, an A for me, obviously. And then this is my Gemagotchi, also from Kimberly Doyle. And this one is just an evil eye because I'm warding off spirits of your evil eyes to me. Some people give evil eye and they don't know it, okay? So you always should protect yourself, protecting your energy. But I love Kimberly Doyle. She's probably my favorite jewelry designer. I have so many pieces I want from her. This is my one and only piece, okay? But I just got a package because I placed an order. She came out with a, I wanna say like a capsule collection recently, and she teased it back in the winter time. And I was like, girl, she came out with 3 pieces. There was a lucky locket that had like, when you opened it up, there was like a bunny medallion in there. There was a cell phone charm, and then there was a gashapon capsule. Now, when I saw that gashapon capsule, I lost my mind. I was like, I need that piece. And I was following her forever, waiting for her to release that gashapon capsule, but she never released it. And then recently, a couple weeks ago, I wanna say like, I don't know, maybe a month ago, she finally released that she was going to be releasing the collection. The charm I got came in 2 colorways. There was a white gold / yellow gold colorway and then a yellow gold colorway. I paid, and I'm in Canada by the way, so I paid 1,266 Canadian dollars, and then I did get hit with $300 duties because like US and Canada right now, we are not gelling together. And yeah, but Kimberly Doyle is Los Angeles based. She is Taiwanese, by the way. She's half Taiwanese, which I love because, you know, supporting Asian business. But anyways, let's go through this. I've rambled long enough. I'm excited for this because I saw a sneak peek of her packaging for it, and she does the most fun packaging. Hold on, before we get into it, I have to show you the packaging for the Gemagotchi. Search for this, but when I purchased the Gemagotchi, it came in packaging like this, and basically this housed the Gemagotchi, and it was like this, like as if you were buying it from the store. Oh my god, it was just so freaking cute. And then it says Gemagotchi adoption, and then you can like write all that stuff. Anyways, I kept this because I love creative packaging. And then obviously it came with her little velvet pouch. It says Kimberly Doyle. That pattern is her like light creation, and I really so badly want a light ring or like a set of earrings. I don't know, whatever. I want her stuff so badly, but obviously it's expensive for me to purchase through them because, well, one, I only like the solid gold, and obviously she only has solid gold, but she also does a lot of like beautiful gemstones and diamonds and things like that. So of course it's gonna get expensive. It's also like an independent jewelry designer, so it's going to be a little bit more expensive because you're paying for one, her time in producing the pieces. Obviously they're small batch, and yeah, it's gonna be a little bit more expensive because this is like individual artists. Anyways, so I love her creativity all the time. I am her biggest fan, even though I only have like 2 pieces. But it came, I ripped it open because I saw a sneak peek of the packaging, and I want to show you guys what it looks like. I know I've been rambling forever, but it's so exciting. Okay, so it came like this, and I was like, oh, maybe I didn't get the special packaging. And then I opened it up, and there's this dust bag. It's unbranded, which is fine. But I opened it up to see, first off, it says, thank you. Okay, it says, thank you for your order and for supporting my small business. It's been so much fun bringing the capsule collection to life. Each piece is handcrafted in Los Angeles, California, using precious metals, using a variety of precious and semi-precious gemstones. I hope you have fun with your new piece of jewelry. And as always, I hope it brings you joy, Kimberly. OMG, I love that little card. Okay, do you see? Ah! I'm screaming. Do you see what's inside? I'm so excited. I've never been so excited in my freaking life. Okay, a lot of confetti paper, which is so fun. Guys, it says Kimberly Doyle Fine Jewelry. Girl, I'm gagged. Oh my God, I'm so excited for this. So of course it doesn't roll out because these capsules are too big. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't know why there's 2 pieces though. I'm so excited. Oh, I think she included some candy. Oh my God, no. It's one of those silly, that is too cute, Kimberly Doyle. I love your business so much. Okay, anyways, so that's those like silly straps, if you know what I mean, when you used to roll them out. So this is the one gasha that was in there. And then the second one, I so hope is what I think it's gonna be. Ah! I'm so excited. Okay. Sorry for all the screaming. There's so much excitement for me because I've been wanting this piece for so long. Okay, this is what it is. Do you see? It is a solid gold gashapon capsule. And, oh, I'm so gagged. It opens. What am I going to keep inside? I have to find something. Inside it says, inside it has engraved Doyle 14K. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Let me see if I can focus it. It says Doyle 14K. The fact that it hinges and opens is so freaking cool. I'm going to go to a jeweler and get this placed on one of the, I'm gonna go to a jeweler and get them to secure it onto my charm necklace. It is a big ball, a big charm. I'm so excited for it. I do need to go get this secured onto my necklace ASAP because I'm so excited for this piece. That is the freaking coolest. You cannot tell me that's not cool. I'm so excited. Kimberly Doyle, thank you for having such a creative mind and making the pieces because, girl, I could never. I'm so excited. You don't even understand. Anyways, that's my haul. This was about 1,500, but love it. I'm so excited. Ah! Really want her Cracker Jack ones too. Is there anything else in here? No. Just my shipping information, I think. There was like it says ship to. Anything else in the box? I don't think so. So it didn't come with a dust bag this time, which I realistically don't think I need that stuff. I love the packaging in general. Girl, you outdid yourself. That was so exciting. I freaking loved it. Thank you so much. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram, _HelloHarley. Follow me on TikTok at HelloHarley. And I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully soon. Sorry, I've been taking a small little break, but yeah, yeah. Okay, bye.